Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python functions. Function is the most important topic of any programming language. Function is nothing but just a block that contains a set of codes or instructions, or we can say programs. It is used to perform specific tasks when needed. Python functions is a block of statements that returns the specific task. Why we use functions? What is the importance of the functions? Why we are using functions? Sometimes when we write a program, we use the same code again and again, and what we do is we write the same code multiple times, which increases the lines of the code as well as the code complexity also. To overcome these problems, we can use Python functions. The Python function definition start with the keyword def. It must be followed by the function name and the parenthesized list of formal parameters. The statements that from the body of the function start at the next line and must be indented. And this is the syntax of the Python function. So this is the syntax of the Python function. So the Python function start with the def keyword. This is the def keyword. Along with this def keyword, it must be followed by the function name of the function. This is the function name and parenthesis. And this is the statement or body of the statement written expression called the function. So now here there are two types of the parameters that are formal parameters and actual parameters. So these parameters are the formal parameters. Now we can calling the function name. That parameters are the actual parameters. So the formal parameters are defined or mentioned in the function definition, and actual parameters are also called as a arguments. Actual parameters or arguments are passed during a function call. Function name. What is the function name? What is this function name? So function name is the name of the function. We can give any name to function. Parameters. And what is that parameter? Parameter is the value passed to the function. We can pass any number of parameters. Function body uses the parameters value to perform an action. And function body and the statement of the body. And the function body or the statement of the body is the function body is a block of the code that performs some task. This block of code is nothing but the action you wanted to accomplish. Return the value, return the expression. So what is that meaning of the written expression? The written value is the output of the function. And how to create a function? So creating a function. So creating a function without any parameters. For example, creating a function without any parameter. Okay. The Python function start with def keyword. Def is the def keyword. So along with def keyword, name of the function, it must be followed by the name of the function. So now here my name of the function is YouTube underscore channel and open the parenthesis, and at the end of the function end of the parenthesis use the colon operator, press the enter button. Okay, so now here my function name is YouTube underscore channel. Now here type the body of the statement or program code. So my program code is print of inside the single quotation or the double quotation, hello, welcome to Prakasam tutorials. So that is the body of the statement. And after creating the function, this is the procedure of the creating the function, creating a function without any parameter. And after creating a function, we can call it by using the name of the function. Now where the name of the function is YouTube underscore channel. So call that name of the function, that name of the function followed by the parentheses. So press the enter button. Now here the name of the function. The name of the function is here YouTube underscore channel. This is the name of the function. So press the enter button. The output will be printed on the Python console. So that output is hello, welcome to Prakasam tutorials. And this is the example of creating a function without any parameter and creating a function with any parameters. Creating a function with parameters. Creating a function with parameters. And function definition start with the def keyword space, and along this def keyword it must be followed by the name of the function. So now here for example my name of the function is YouTube def keyword YouTube channel underscore name comma co course underscore name, and end of the statement use the colon parameter colon operator, press the enter button. Okay, so def keyword def space YouTube, inside the parenthesis the formal parameters are channel name comma course name. So these channel name and course names are defined are defined by name defined by the function. Now here type the body of the statement. My body of the statement is so print of hello, welcome to channel name. Hello, welcome to channel name. Close the parenthesis. And one more print statement, print of course name. My course name is close the quotation, double quotation comma course name. And this is the body of the statement. Close the parenthesis, press the enter button. So now here we can call the function with parameters, call the name of the function with parameter. Now here the name of the function is YouTube. So now here the channel name is inside the single quotation, that is the sequence of the character. My channel name is Prakasam tutorials. And my course name is, that is also sequence of the character that can be entered inside the single quotation or the double quotation. So course name is Python, and close the parentheses. So inside the call the function, name of the function. So now here this Prakasam tutorials and Python is the actual parameters or the arguments. So calling the name of the function. So press the enter button. The output is hello, welcome to channel name. Channel name is Prakasam tutorials. My course name is Python. So this is the example of creating a function with parameters. So this is a definition of Python function.